Good morning, Alex. Coffee is ready. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Amma. Yes, I slept well. Thank you. It smells so good. What are you making for breakfast?
Just some toast with jam and eggs. Nothing special. But it's a great way to start the day. A good breakfast gives you energy.
I agree. You always say breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Is that an idiom?
Yes, it is. A good one. It means breakfast gives you the fuel you need for a busy day. It's an important life lesson, too. Take care of yourself first.
The bus is here. It's always so full in the morning.
Yes, the bus is usually crowded during rush hour. What do you call this time of day?
Rush hour? Thinks. It means when many people are going to work or school at the same time. The traffic is heavy.
That's exactly right. You remembered. We also say the early bird catches the worm. Do you know that one?
A worm? No. Does it mean if you wake up early, you get a good worm to eat? Soft laugh.
Not quite. It means that the person who arrives early has the best chance of success. We use it for business, for work, for life.
I have so much to do today. My boss gave me a big project. I need to think outside the box. What does that mean?
Another idiom. It means you need to be creative. You should not use your old ideas. You need new ones, like solving a puzzle in a different way.
So it means I have to be creative, not just follow the rules?
Exactly. And you can do it. You are very good at new ideas. Let's think about the project. What's the first step?
The first step is to write a report, but it's very complicated. I need to break it down. Is that a phrase? Break it down?
Yes, it is. And it's a great strategy. Break it down means to divide a big problem into small, easy parts, one step at a time. It makes a big project feel less scary.
I'm trying to write this report, but I'm making a lot of mistakes. I don't know the best words to use.
Maybe you are barking up the wrong tree. Do you know that idiom?
Barking up the wrong tree? Like a dog?
Yes, like a dog. It means you are looking for the answer in the wrong place. Or you are using the wrong strategy. What is the report about?
It's about our new product. But I keep writing about the old product by mistake. I am confusing the information.
You see? You are barking up the wrong tree. You are focusing on the old product, not the new one. You need to start with a new, clean slate. Do you know that one?
Clean slate? Like a blackboard? It means to start over again, right? From the very beginning?
Yes, exactly. You can do it. Close your old document, open a new one, and think only about the new product, one step at a time. Welcome home, Alex. How was your day? Did you finish the report?
I did. I closed the old document and started a new one. I used my clean slate and broke it down. I feel much better about it.
I knew you could do it. So you thought outside the box and found a good solution.
Yes, and I learned something new about English today. I learned about idioms. I also learned that if a problem is big, you should break it into small parts.
That's a wonderful life lesson. It's true for projects and for life. When you feel overwhelmed, just take one small step.
So today's idioms were breakfast is the most important meal, the early bird catches the worm, think outside the box, barking at the wrong tree, and a clean slate. That's a lot.
You have a great memory, and you are a great student. Every day is a new chance to learn something new. And every day is a new chance to try again.
I'm tired, but happy. Thanks, Emma. You always help me understand things.
You're welcome, Alex. Now, let's make some dinner.